Studies on analytical determination of the vibrations of a load, twice elastically suspended from an elastic beam via another load. This important article is authored by the following scientists. In this chapter we analyze the dynamics of mechanical systems with suspended loads, such as bridge cranes, monorail hoists, mining machinery, etc. The considered mechanical system is composed of a load, twice elastically suspended from an elastic beam via another load. The goal is to determine the vibrations of the mechanical system with suspended loads. Two dynamical models which respect the kinetic energy of the elastic ropes are built for the system and their corresponding differential equations of motion are obtained. The vibration of the mechanical system is described by a coupled system of two ordinary and n is equal to 1 to partial differential equations. The nonlinear restoring forces are linearized via the method of equivalent linearization, and an analytical solution is obtained for the differential equations of both dynamical models simultaneously, using general initial conditions. The constants of integration are determined analytically for a specific instance of the initial conditions, which reflects an important practical case. The mechanical system is simulated numerically with initial conditions corresponding to the typical regimes of operation of real systems with suspended loads. Introduction. Mechanical systems that carry hanging loads, like bridge cranes, hoists, and mining equipment, are commonly used in industries to move materials efficiently. These systems can behave in complex ways when they move or are affected by outside forces, and understanding their motion is important for designing better and safer equipment. In this study, we focus on a specific type of system where a load is connected to another load and both are suspended from a flexible beam. This setup can be found in advanced lifting or transport systems. We use two different models to examine how the loads and the beam move and interact during operation. Our goal is to understand how the beam and ropes behave when the system is in motion, especially under vibration. We use both mathematical techniques and numerical simulations to study these effects. While computer-based methods provide quick results, we also apply analytical approaches to ensure the results are accurate and trustworthy. By combining both methods, we aim to improve the design and reliability of mechanical systems that involve suspended loads. Conclusions. This chapter explores the motion and vibration of a mechanical system where a load is suspended from another load, both hanging from a flexible beam. Two detailed models were developed to account for the movement and energy of the elastic ropes. The complex forces involved were simplified using a standard mathematical method, allowing us to solve the system's motion equations more easily. An analytical solution was found using general starting conditions, and a specific case important in real-life applications was examined in detail. Computer simulations were also performed to reflect how these systems operate in real industrial settings. The results help us understand how different parts of the system, like ropes and beams, are affected during motion. This knowledge is valuable for engineers designing systems with hanging loads, as it helps ensure safety, efficiency, and reliability in their operation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.